Hi, my name is Marjorie and welcome to Jetersblessings. In today's video, I am participating in the Chic for Cheap monthly challenge hosted by Christi from Christi Creates, and her co-host for the month is AnnaLee Ashby from AnnaLee Ashby DIY. So please be sure to check them out and check out the playlist in the description box below. For my first project, I'm going to redo this terracotta pot from Pottery Barn. They were anywhere from $19.50 to $29.50, but I bought this pretty vase from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm just using some jute cord that I had got from Walmart, and I'm going to glue the jute cord all around the vase. Now, when I was gluing the cord onto the vase, I was making sure to put butt the cord up to each other pretty tightly, and I'm trying to eliminate as many gaps as possible. But the glue on the jute cord was giving me a bunch of little hairs on my fingers. So just, if you do it, definitely wear at least either your finger protectors or use one of those makeup spatulas that a lot of people use now. And that way it'll help keep your fingers a little bit clean. So once I have it all glued on there, I take this pretty blue paint and I had got on clearance from Hobby Lobby a while back, and it was so pretty, and so all I do is just actually paint the entire vase with this blue paint. Now I only gave it one coat. I may, if you recreate something like this, you may want to go back and do 2 coats. But I was fine with the 1 coat because it did have a little bit of the jute cord color coming out from behind the blue, and that was okay with me because it kind of helped make it a little rustic, a little not so clean. But I thought it was really pretty, and I thought the little blue flowers just made a really nice touch with the vase. And this only cost me about $2. So for the second project, I'm going to recreate this serving bowl, which is $39.50 from Pottery Barn. And I'm taking these stickers and this bowl, all from the Dollar Tree, and this only cost about $2 as well. All I do is take the stickers and I go around the top of the serving bowl, and then I'm going to go out and give it a good couple of coats of the Rust-Oleum white paint in the matte finish, but I don't show that here. And here's the finished product. I think it's really pretty. Now, this is not something that I would actually put real food in. It's more of like a decor piece for me. So my third and final project are these hand-woven baskets. Now, this is a set of 3 for $399. Here I've got some jute cord from the Walmart for like $3.40. And if I took these, it was a 4-pack of these plastic plates from the Dollar Tree, and I'm only going to recreate 2 of the baskets just for the video purposes. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to start placing the jute cord onto the plate and just wrap it around until the plate is completely covered. Now I don't do the bottom of it, I just do the top and enough of the edge of the rim to where it covers it. So then once I have my plate all made up with the jute, then I just take my big Sharpie marker and I go ahead and start drawing some of the petals, almost like the ones from the picture from Pottery Barn. So once I've got the main lines etched out, I go back in and draw the second lines in the center of each of the petals. And then once I've done that, I go back with a small paintbrush and my chalkboard paint from the Dollar Tree, and I just paint over the lines so they're more permanent and a lot darker to see. And then here, this is the second one that I didn't show how to wrap this one. But then I just go back in with my Sharpie and I start coloring in the dark lines that's in one of the other trays. So again, after I've done that, I just go back with a bigger brush and use the same chalkboard paint from the Dollar Tree and go in and color the lines and make them a little bit thicker. Now I don't show it in the video, but I do add a little bit of jute twine on the back just so I could hang it from the wall. And this only cost about roughly $2 as well. 50 cents for the plates, and then it's definitely less than, it's about maybe half a roll of the twine. It's probably not even that. So I'd say about another $1 or so. All of these were very inexpensive and very easy to do. And here's the finished product. I really liked this look. I do like the flower one better. I like that one a little bit more, but I think they're both turned out gorgeous. But I want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching, and I hope that you guys have a very blessed day. Thank you.